Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to invest $1,000 in 2025, even if you're a total beginner. Whether you're in college, working your first job, or just trying to make your money grow, this guide will show you exactly what to do, step by step. Section 1. Why investing $1,000 matters. Now, $1,000 might not sound like a lot, but it's a powerful start. If you invest it wisely, compound interest can turn it into thousands over time. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to start building the habit of making your money work for you. Section 2. Step 1. Build a safety net. Before you invest, make sure you have at least 1 month of emergency savings. That way, you won't have to sell your investments when something unexpected happens. Think of it as your financial safety shield. Section 3. Step 2. High-interest debt comes first. If you have credit card debt, pay that off before investing. Why? Because no investment can beat a 20% credit card interest rate. Clearing debt is like earning a guaranteed return. Section 4. Step 3. Choose your investment path. Now let's talk about where to actually invest that $1,000 in 2025. 1. Index funds or ETFs. Like S&P 500 ETFs, for example, VU. They're low risk and give you exposure to hundreds of top companies. 2. Robo-advisors, such as Betterment or Wealthfront. They automatically invest and rebalance your portfolio for you. 3. Fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood, Public, or Fidelity let you invest in big companies with just a few dollars. For side hustle or online skills, you could invest part of that money in building a skill that increases your income long-term, like learning video editing, coding, or marketing. Section 5. Step 4. Stay consistent. Don't try to time the market. Set up automatic deposits. Even $20 a week adds up. The biggest secret to wealth isn't luck. It's consistency and patience. Outrow. So there you have it. The smart way to invest $1,000 in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your investing goals this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.